Hi, my name is Manu Kohli and I am CEO of Cogniable. Every 1 out of 100 children in India is diagnosed with autism. Indian Academy of Pediatrics recommends that all children should be screened for developmental checks between 18 to 24 months of age. With 18 million children born in India a year, only a handful of children can be screened due to limited infrastructure. Because of late diagnosis, a child loses the opportunity to receive early intervention services that can improve IQ by 10 to 15 points. Every year in India, we add 200,000 new cases of autism and the families spend 30,000 Indian rupees a month for intervention services that can last for years and are localized in the urban cities. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the majority of intervention centers are not operational and parents are facing challenges with respect to accessibility, affordability, and skill development to manage children's behavior at home. This warrants a technology-mediated model to overcome the challenges. At Cogniable, we have developed artificial intelligence-based solutions for autism screening and intervention. On autism screening, pediatric experts have identified 12 behavioral landmarks critical in identification of autism at an early age. A parent is requested to play with the child based on a script in comfort of their home to evoke those behavioral landmarks that the children with autism usually lack. That session is video recorded and analyzed by an artificial intelligence model that suggests if the child is on a risk of autism condition. Our innovation has been published, patented, and has received BIRAC Big Grant as well. Autism intervention services are available on our platform through a mobile application in 5 languages that empowers parents, schools, and clinicians with the availability of an integrative assessment and intervention plan only at 10% of the market price. The intervention plan is built with a click of a button that a parent can execute with a child to enhance language, behavior, academic, and social skills through detailed protocols and training videos. The progress data is measured by machine learning models to personalize the intervention plan for the child and fast-track the skill acquisition rate. Cogniable mobile app brings families, schools, and clinicians on a common data platform, improving information access and bringing in affordability, accessibility, and quality in autism detection and intervention process. Cogniable is formed by researchers and faculty members of IIT Delhi, board-certified behavior analysts, powered by Fortis Mental Health Group, with academic tie-ups with 2 leading government hospitals of India, and we are participating to test our innovation with Tata Trust in a real-life community setting. Currently, Cogniable is used by 6 clinics and more than 100 users in India, US, UK, Japan, and Bangladesh.